Okay, so I'm going to use, so the first engraving tool I was showing you is this is a Resparked, and this one's an Aeromax. I wish these two can be combined because there are things I love about this engraving tool and things I love about this one. This one, the speed goes lower. This one, the speed is higher, but you have to deal with two buttons. So I'm just going to turn it on. So you turn it on by holding it down, and it shows you the direction in which the bit is spinning. So it's spinning that direction. And you can see I kind of did a few of them, just kind of get the feel of it and see which one I wanted to use. And oh, look at that. Isn't that amazing? I'm just so excited. So see how I'm just making these little tiny hairs. If I pull it towards me, because it's rotating that direction, it'll make a deeper and lighter mark. So I just am careful, just make little squiggly lines. See, because I'm going with the direction, it makes lighter lines. So now if I come back, I have to be just a little bit lighter and more careful. How fun is that? It's perfect, and it's just got this, I mean, it just looks like you just plucked it. You know, I can see a couple more areas I probably want to get some other colors in, so I'll do that, and that needs to be done, but I just wanted to see how we were going to be looking. As we go over and just lightly make these little hairs. This is actually the fun part. I was I was so excited to get this done. See how I'm just crossing over? And I'll still be able to go back in and put other color in. It's just skimming the surface of the paper, making just beautiful hairs. That is just absolutely so lovely. And it really is. It's almost like you're just drawing with a white colored pencil. Really, that's all it kind of is. It's just, you're just reclaiming all of the paper, and I'm loving this. Oh, I can't wait to do it up in there. It's gonna be so fun. I'm gonna let it just kind of balance in my hand and go back and forth. So I'm kind of glad I went a little dark. That way we can really see these hairs crossing. See how light I'm holding it? It's just making these very cool lines. Okay, so then I'm going to turn it off. And the nice thing about these is they're rechargeable. Both of them have, this one has a mag recharger, and this one just is a USB charger. So it's very nice. I have a little case to carry them. I'm just so thrilled. Okay, so I'm going to stop this lesson because we're getting close to an hour. And then we're going to keep going, and we're going to get these finished, and we're going to have a lot of fun doing it. And here's the great thing about this is you don't have to worry about getting every little area perfect. So once you start going over it with the engraving tool, it kind of solves a lot of color problems for you. So absolutely a lot of fun. I'm excited to keep going on this.